Hi, this is Eric from LD Products, and today I'm going to show you how to replace a DR-730 drum unit in your Brother HL-L2350 DW laser printer. A brand new Brother HL-L2350 includes the TN730 starter cartridge and the DR-730 drum unit. We're only focusing on replacing the drum unit in this video. If you're wondering how to replace the toner cartridge, we cover that in a different video. The Brother drum unit is a separate consumable that typically should be replaced after the use of 3 or 4 toner cartridges. If you own a Brother laser printer and you're getting a replaced drum message on your machine's display, it might be time to get a new drum. You can check the drum life manually by pressing the plus and minus buttons on the printer. You scroll down to Machine Info, press OK. Scroll to Parts Life, press OK. To Drum Life, press OK. As you can see, the drum is completely depleted, so we're going to move forward and replace the drum unit. Okay, so we've got our brand new LD brand compatible DR-730 drum unit here. Let's take it out of the box. All right, we got to take off this piece of black paper. There it is, and we can move on to installing it into the printer. Okay, so our new drum unit is ready to go. Let's take out the old drum unit from the printer. And you'll see that it actually comes out all as one unit. So the toner cartridge is actually sitting inside the drum unit. We're going to need to remove the toner cartridge from the drum unit, which is pretty easy to do. All you got to do actually is just click down on the green lever here, and the toner cartridge pops right out. And we'll set the toner cartridge aside. We're actually going to use this same toner cartridge with the new drum unit. So let me set that aside really quick, and we'll grab the brand new drum unit that we just opened. Okay, so we've got the new drum unit. Got that same toner cartridge, and it's the same process. So you can just slide it into the slot here, and you should hear it click. It's nice and secure. And before you put it back in the printer, you actually want to slide the corona wire here back and forth a few times. That's just to prep the drum unit. 4 or 5 times is fine. And then make sure you return it to the home position before putting it back in the printer. If you don't, you're going to end up with some vertical stripes on your print. So make sure it's back in this home position on the left-hand side before you put it back in the printer. All right, so let's slide it back into the machine. Close it up. And we have one final step, which we're actually going to be showing you how to do in another video, which is resetting the drum counter. Something you need to do with this particular printer, so if you'd like to see what that process is, stay tuned and watch the next video. Need more help? Be sure to check out our other videos for this printer model. And if you're looking to save money, consider purchasing the LD brand compatible version from ldproducts.com. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like below and be sure to subscribe. Shop LD Products for all your ink and office supply needs. We are your ink and toner experts.